Welcome to a haul slash live sale preview. Jeana and I are having our sale on her channel tonight instead of tomorrow. So it will be Monday night, and we will start at 10 Eastern, 9 Central, 7 Pacific after Vintage Rescue Squad is over. And these items I picked up over the weekend and when I went thrifting for a very short time today. I found some goodies at a local charity shop that I really like visiting because they do a lot of work for the community, and the rest of the items were picked up at estate sales this weekend. I think I'm going to start over here, guys. The first thing I got was this beautiful brass candelabra. As you can see, it has spots for 3 different candles. It is an excellent shape. I do not believe it's marked. It's not. I would say it's probably made in India. It's just a really pretty piece. It does need a little bit of dusting, so I am going to do that, but I'm not polishing it. I know how people are about their patina, and personally, I think it looks good the way it is, but I am going to get some of that dust off. I just haven't had time yet. Okay, I picked up this really cute owl mug. This is Gibson. As you can see here, it is a heavy mug. This is a really nice mug. I love the design of it. Let me show you the back. I think this is adorable. And that will be available tonight. I got that at the charity shop I was just mentioning. I picked this up at an estate sale over the weekend. This is an amber hen on nest. This is kind of the medium size. You know, they come in several different sizes. And here is the bottom. There is a little chippy chip right here on the inside, so the price will reflect that. And as you can see here, it is marked made in Taiwan. It is still a really pretty piece, and when you put the hen on the nest, you do not see that little ding. I also got this over the weekend at an estate sale. This adorable, it's probably a Scottie. What do you guys think? It's definitely a terrier. He's a planter. He is not marked, and I've not researched this guy yet, but I want to say he's made in Japan, probably. There is no damage on him that I can see. He's just an adorable pooch, and I had to get him. I mean, the face. Okay, all you boho lovers, I got this beautiful wooden box. I'm assuming that's probably a pink rose, and this is hand-painted. And here is the inside. I do believe this is older. I don't think it's a new piece at all. There's no mark on it. My guess would be maybe 70s. But I'm not sure because it's not marked. Let me show you guys the hinge. Here is the hinge back here. It's an excellent shape, and I think it's just really, really pretty. Okay, guys, this is a beautiful piece of art glass. As you can see, it has these really pretty white and gray color variations in the glass. You can see the handle here. Here is the inside. I love looking at that because you can see all the details and all the work that went into this piece. I think it is so pretty. Here is the bottom. I was so excited to find this, guys. It almost looks purple when you're looking at it head on because of the gray and the white. It is just such a pretty, pretty piece. Very excited to offer that tonight. I also have this beautiful hand-blown pitcher. It could also be a vase if you wanted it to be so. I love this glass. I love this technique. I can't remember what it's called right now, but if you look closely, you can see all the different variations. Here is the handle. Here is the pontil mark here on the bottom. This piece is beautiful. As you can see, it appears to be like a very light gold amber color. I did test it to see if this glows, if it's kind of an amberina, and it's kind of hard to tell. As you can see, the trim is really thin where that amber color is, but I'm going to try it again when it is dark. I did pick this up today, so we shall see tonight if this glows. If it does, I think it would just be a very faint glow here at the top. I also got this piece of carnival glass. This is marigold, And I do believe this is an older piece. I have not researched this one yet either. I got this today at the local charity shop, but it is pressed glass. So I think this may be an older piece. It is absolutely beautiful. I believe this is the harvest pattern. I'm not sure who makes it. I'm gonna have to find that out, but it's just a beautiful, beautiful piece of glass. There is a little bit of a scratch. Let me see if I can find it. Of course, I can't find it when I'm looking for it, but it appears to be under the glass. Let me see, maybe over here. How funny. Now I'm not finding it, of course. Okay, guys, and I did find, you know, where there is a little bit of damage. This crack does not go all the way through. Sorry, I'm trying to get it to focus for you guys. I believe it's just due to the age of this piece. As you can see, it is so beautiful. It really, really has an iridescence to it that is just stunning. I love this piece of caramel glass, so that will be available tonight as well. I also have this E.O. Brody milk glass vase. I have sold one of these before. They are absolutely beautiful. This does have like this leaf pattern. Just beautiful. Here is the inside, and it is marked E.O. Brody here on the back. This is a larger vase, and I have not found any damage on this at all. It's another beautiful, beautiful piece of glass. Okay, for the bling, I have these 3 offerings tonight. Okay, so this is a little different, and I think I like it because it's different. As you can see, this is a crab, and he is all blinged out with his giant rhinestone there. He has this little hole here, so I do believe he is probably a pendant. But for those of you that are jewelry savvy, you could probably make this into a brooch. It has this kind of die cut area on the back. I did make sure, because I thought, well, maybe it opens. It does not open. So I think that this circle at the top is just where you would run your chain. I think it would be cute just, you know, on a display somewhere. Maybe with your jewelry, like your little crab is protecting your baubles. I don't know. I just thought he was really unique, and I had to pick him up. Okay, this may be the prettiest brooch I have found in a while. First of all, look at the beautiful shine on this. It's just absolutely stunning. I love purple. It's my favorite color. I love the rhinestones. I love the gold. I think this looks very Art Deco. I have not researched this yet, and it is not marked, so I need to find out a little bit more about this. This will probably be on the higher side, just so you know, because it's an amazing piece of work. So much beautiful detail is on this, and I love it. As you can see, the purple stones are pronged, and oh my gosh, guys, I think this really is my favorite brooch that I have picked up so far. It's just beautiful. And last, I have this. I was gonna save this for Christmas, but I decided, you know what? I got it over the weekend. I should go ahead and show it tonight. This is a deer. Please focus, Mr. Deer. It's a little better. He is inside of a wreath. He's got these really pretty blue eyes. And here is the back. It is marked. However, I need to get my loupe out because I cannot read it. It's very cloudy outside, so I don't have optimal light in here, so I do apologize for that as well. But he will be offered tonight. I did pick up another Christmas item, and I'm not sure if I will sell him tonight or not. Look at this elf. He is so, so cute. He's got a little present in his hands. He's got these adorable eyes with the eyelashes for Miles. There's this little elf ears. He is made in Taiwan, as you can see here. Unfortunately, there was only one. I was hoping I could find 2, but I only did find 1. There is a little bit of cold paint missing on the back of his head right there. But other than that, he is in excellent shape, and he's adorable. Okay. I picked up some really bougie things today, guys. I got this really pretty wall pocket today at the local charity shop. And it has these really pretty daisies on it. It is very ornate and detailed. I love this. It is marked Citri ceramic, as you can see right here. It's from 1982. It is in amazing shape. I just had to get it. I thought it was beautiful. I know a lot of you do collect items like this, so this was a no-brainer. I had to get this. Okay, I also got this piece of Capitamante, and I thought this was really cool. As you can see, this is like a fruit vegetable dish. It has a leafy vegetable, and it has a green apple, and it has what I assume are cherries. I mean, I know these are cherries. I don't know if these are meant to be tomatoes or cherries without the string. I'm not sure, but this piece is in really, really good shape, you know, which is rare for Capitamante. There is this little mark right there. Honestly, guys, I think it's just a tiny bit of a chip with some paint loss. It's not major at all. And I mean, most of the times with Capitamante, you are going to find a little bit of an issue, but that's the only issue I found. Let me show you the bottom here because it is marked Capitamante here. Just absolutely beautiful. I had to pick that up. Okay, I got what I think is the prettiest ashtray I've ever seen in my life. Now, I did spend some time cleaning this out. I got this at an estate sale I went to on Friday, and it was filthy. It had ashes in it. It had dirt in it. I found it in a garage. So I was so happy that I was able to get it clean. I mean, honestly, guys, it looks brand new. This is so beautiful. I have never seen an ashtray like this. I've never seen one in this butterfly shape and this area to put your ashes in here. I can't imagine anyone ever wanting to ash on this, but they did, and I know they did because I cleaned it up. I don't believe it's marked, but let me gently take this top off and make sure. It has this number here. I'll have to do some research on this. I did pay up a little bit for this because I thought it was super unique and super cool. I think it would be great for storing jewelry or any, you know, little trinkets you might have. It's absolutely beautiful, and despite being used as an ashtray, I don't see any damage on it. So that's amazing. Okay, I got this little picture at an estate sale as well, and it has these two beautiful birds on it. It has this really pretty ornate handle. This one just has a model number as well, so I'll have to do a little bit of digging to find out about this. I just thought it was really pretty, and because it had the birds, I went ahead and picked it up. The birds, as you can see, are on both sides. Here is the inside. Doesn't look like it was ever used. Just a beautiful, beautiful piece. Okay, now I also got this figurine. And I got this at an estate sale as well. It is two children looking at this cute bird in the birdhouse. And the girl is here looking with the boy. She has some flowers in a basket. There's also a flower there. I have not noticed any damage on this piece at all, which is pretty amazing because it is a tall piece. Let me gently put it down so I can show you some more of the detail. Here we go. Here is the side. Here is the back. Here is the side with the boy on it. As you can see, this is a larger piece, and I think it's really, really cool. I have to find out. I'm not sure what this is. I feel like I should know, but words are failing me now. I can't think. I was at the post office today, and I was trying to use my debit card to pay for media mail, and I kept putting the card in backwards, you know, where I couldn't read it. I mean, I'm talking like 3 or 4 times, and finally I looked at the post office clerk, and I said, oh my gosh, I'm putting it in backwards. Anyway, we both laughed for a very long time about that. But it is Monday, so that is my excuse for not remembering that end mark. Okay, so this is just beautiful. I got this at a charity shop today as well. I cannot remember. Oh, yes. Okay, so this is made in Taiwan for Sophia Ann in New York, New York. It is a very, very detailed and beautiful, beautiful vase. I have not found any damage on it. As you can see, it's got this really pretty, kind of darker gray opalescent color to it. It has these really pretty, I think they're roses. Not sure about that. Might be a violet. But I had to get this, guys. I thought it was so, so pretty. And again, one of the bougie things I picked up. Okay, guys, the last thing I want to show you is this beautiful hobnail vase. As you can see, it's got this really pretty blue color on it. And then on the inside, it is white, which I assume is milk glass. I think this is Fenton. Just trying to see if there was a mark there. I cannot tell. I don't think so. Well, that might be an F. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Is that an F? Maybe. Again, I'll have to pull up my loop. All I did was get home and clean these items. I have not researched them all. Now, this one I did pay up for. I got this today at a charity shop because, well, I mean, look at it. I couldn't leave it behind. It's just so, so pretty. I will put my black light to it. I don't expect it to glow, but it definitely has kind of an opalescent hue to it at the tips of the hobnails there. And these are more of the sharp hobnails. It's just beautiful, guys. I love the ruffles. There is a little spot in here, as you can see right there. And it feels like it might be under the glaze, excuse me. I think it's just part of the firing process that went wrong. Looks like there's a little bit of dirt right there that I will clean. But this, I'm not sure if this will come out. Just to let you know. It does not detract from how beautiful this vase is, however. It is absolutely stunning. And I can't wait to show it to you guys tonight. Okay, like I said, we will be on tonight at 10 Eastern, 9 Central, and 7 Pacific on Jeana's channel. Jeana is Vintage Digs, so make sure you follow her if you don't already. And her channel is on my link tree, as well as in the description on my video. So if you have any trouble finding Vintage Digs, you can definitely come back to my YouTube page and find her. You can also find her on Instagram, and we really look forward to seeing you guys tonight. It's going to be fun. We're excited to try out this new time. It'll definitely be fun. I always have a blast with Jeana and all of you, so I really look forward to tonight. Hope everyone is having a good Monday, if that's possible. Thanks, guys, and do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And if there's something that you're interested in this video, you can always reach out to me. You can ask, if you want to buy it outright or if you want it to be an offer. Just let me know. I am willing to be flexible with you guys, whatever works best for you. Okay. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.